Every word you speak creates your reality. Whenever you speak, you are using God source consciousness to create what it is that you want. So if you want to heal, today I am going to teach you how to use your spoken word, how to understand the language of healing. So if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. And if you get value from it, please consider subscribing to this channel for more videos on how to heal yourself. So for those of you who have tried manifesting, for those of you who have tried using affirmations, I am healed, I am healthy, you understand that you need to use these I am statements in order to heal. You understand that it's these I am statements, I being the God, the creator living inside of you. That's the I. It's the spoken I. And the M is what you are creating. I am. That's why the I am language is so powerful for manifesting anything, from money to the relationship you want, to the abundance in your life, and yes, to healing. So I am sure that you have tried affirmations. I am sure that you have listened to and tried to say affirmations, I am. The problem is that you don't believe what you are saying. And when you have a disconnect between what you're saying and what you believe, this powerful I am affirmation cannot work because you are disconnected to actually believing that, to actually believing that that can be true for you. So it's really first important to understand that healing has a language, that manifesting has a language. And just like you don't speak French, just like you don't speak Italian, just like you don't understand how to speak the language, does not mean that there isn't a language, and it does not mean that you can't understand how to speak it. We need to learn this language so that we can speak this language fluently, because this is the language of creation. This is the language of healing. This is the language of manifesting. This is a powerful language. This language puts you in the power seat of your life. This language puts you in the creator position. This language connects you directly to source consciousness, to God. This is the I am language. And every time you speak, you are casting a spell. You are casting a spell over yourself and everyone around you. What you choose to say out loud, externally, is your external language. And then you have an internal language, what you choose to think, what you choose to say inside, the silent language, the inside language, when you're communicating you to you inside your brain, right? These are called our thoughts. So we have an internal language, which is our thoughts that we speak to ourselves that nobody can hear. And then we have an external language, which are the words that we say out loud and that we say to other people. Now, usually these come from your internal language. So your internal language happens first, and then your external language follows. Now, sometimes we say things that we're not actually saying to ourselves inside. Sometimes we are saying out loud, oh yeah, I think I can heal. And inside we're saying to ourselves, you can't heal. You're too old, you're too stupid, you're not good enough, you've been sick too long, right? But outside we may say to somebody, oh, I can heal, I think I can heal. But usually the two are compatible. Usually you think it and then you say the same thing, because usually you're thinking thoughts consciously or you're thinking thoughts unconsciously. And then when we speak, we either speak our conscious thoughts that we had internally, or we speak out loud our unconscious thoughts that we're having unconsciously internally to ourselves. And all of these unconscious internal thoughts are beliefs. These are beliefs that we hold about ourselves, and they are usually limiting beliefs, something that's holding us back, keeping us stuck, that is a lack-based thought or belief. We want to destroy our lack-based thinking. We want to not use lack-based wording. Think lack-based internal thoughts. speak lack-based external words. The words that we speak are the spells in which we create with. No matter whether we're speaking them out loud, externally, or whether we're saying them inside, internally to ourselves. The words that we speak and think are what we are creating, and they usually stem from our unconscious beliefs, from beliefs that we hold due to experiences that we have had in our life. And these experiences have given us evidence or what we feel is proof, or we've been told something by somebody that has stuck with us. So we're either thinking thoughts or we have these formed beliefs because of something someone told us. It's not even ours. We learned it. We were taught it by our parents or our teachers, or we had an experience and we have firsthand learning experience that gave us what we feel is evidence to believe a certain thing. No matter where your beliefs are coming from, we all have beliefs. We are all thinking and speaking due to our internal beliefs. And this is the language in which we speak to ourselves and to others. We have learned a language. So if you speak English, you are through English speaking to yourself and then speaking out loud to others. You are speaking your reality into creation. Most of us have these lack-based limiting words that we're using externally and internally. And they are words like I can't, I'm scared, I want, I need, I hope, I'm working on, I'm trying, I'm waiting, I'm praying, I'm trying to believe, I pray, I hope, I beg, I plead, I wish, I doubt, I'm attempting to, I feel stuck, I don't know how, I'm not enough, I don't believe, I'm searching, I'm longing, I'm researching, I'm scared. These are all lack-based thoughts, and I bet you can pick out the worst offenders. There are some really, really bad ones in there, like I can't, I won't. Those are you're just shutting off right there. You will never create what it is you want if you are using the word I can't. But there are also other ones where we think we're actually saying what you want, like I'm trying. That's better, but that is still a lack-based thought. So all of the words that I just said, you are speaking the language of lack. You're speaking the language of creating what it is you do not want in your life. You will never get what you want using any of that language. This is the wrong language. And from here forward, from this day forward, now that you know this, I want you to never, ever use those words again. Just cut them out of your vocabulary. This is how you use another language. You stop speaking the one that is familiar, even though English is familiar to it. If you are trying to talk to somebody in China who does not speak English, you can't continue to speak English and hope that they're going to understand. The only way you can communicate is if you start to learn and use Chinese. If you start to learn Mandarin and speak it to them. You need to let go of the language that you speak in and start to speak in a language that they can understand. And by they, I mean you, your subconscious, your body, your mind, your heart, your soul. The I am God consciousness, the creator, cannot speak in those words. You must use different words to communicate. So for everyone on this channel, you are trying to heal. So what is it that you want? If you say, I want to heal, just say that. I want to heal. There is a lack in that. I want to heal. I'm desperate to heal. I'm trying to heal. I hope I heal. I pray I heal. Right? There's a lack there. You want it, but you're aware that you don't have it. You're aware that it is not yours. It doesn't feel like it's yours. I'm working on healing. I'm attempting to heal. I'm scared I won't be able to heal. Some of these are better. They're disguised as language of manifestation. Like I want health and healing. but that's a lack-based term. And some of them are just really bad. Like, I don't think I can heal. I can't heal. I'm scared I won't heal. Nothing ever works for me, right? These, you're just cutting yourself off. But there's other ones that you say often that you don't even realize that you're still in a lack-based language. I hope I heal, right? Can you hear it? Can you hear the lack? I'm researching about healing. I'm trying to heal. I'm searching for healing. I'm working on healing. I'm trying to heal. I'm praying to heal. I don't know if I can heal. I'm scared I won't heal. I'm waiting to heal. I feel overwhelmed that I haven't been able to heal. So all of these words are lack-based language. All of these words are keeping you stuck. These are spells in which you are creating the very thing that you don't want, and you don't even realize it. So we have to pay attention to our language. We have to pay attention to the language of abundance, the language of manifestation, the language of your power, of calling your power back to yourself, of being the creator of what it is that you want, the language of healing. The most powerful words are I am healed, I am healthy. That is the state of I am it now. But many of us, we repeat these affirmations, I am healthy, but we can't believe it because we don't feel it. We're like, I am healthy, but I actually don't feel it, right? The internal thoughts, the internal language takes over and says, I don't believe it. I don't feel healed, right? I don't. We're using lack-based language. I don't buy it. So if you can't jump straight to the I am, if you can't go straight from I am sick to I am healthy because you just don't feel like you are, then you have to find language that bridges you there, that gets you over the hump, that helps you baby step to the I am language, to the most powerful language that there is. So can you say, instead of I can't heal, I am not healthy, to I am healed. Okay, I'm not healthy, I am healed. Okay, and we just can't get over that hump because we don't believe it, because our beliefs, we have a belief that says I am not. I have evidence to prove otherwise. Can we use different words? Okay, there's a whole host from the most powerful to at least stepping into the language of healing. So we'd like to say something like, I deserve healing. I deserve. I deserve to be healthy. I deserve to heal. Can you say that? Does that resonate as true with you? And remember, the language that you use has to feel true. So if I am healthy doesn't feel true, if I am healed doesn't feel true because you can feel your symptoms, then I deserve to be healthy. I deserve to be healed. Can that be a true statement for you? And if that is the language in which you need to use. How about I commit to? I commit to healing. I commit to being healthy. I commit to my health. I take action. I take action to heal. I take action towards my health. I take action to be healed. How about I choose to heal? I choose health. I choose radiance. I choose peace. How about I will heal? I will heal. I'm aware that I am not healed, but I will heal. I will it to happen. I will heal. I deserve it. I commit to it. And one of my favorite ones is I choose. I choose to heal. I choose health. I choose healing. What about I can heal? I can heal. I can do this. How about the word I can? I will. I choose. I manifest. Right? Maybe you can't say words like I manifest health or I radiate health, but you can say I choose health. I commit to being healthy. I am aligned with health and healing. I am aligned with health. I am aligned with healing. How about I create health or I receive health? I receive healing. I'm open to receiving health. I'm open to receiving healing. I trust that I will heal. I trust that I will be healthy. I trust myself. How about I embrace health? I embrace wholeness. I embrace healing. I embrace the life that I want. How about I welcome health? I welcome healing. I embody health. I embody healing. I embody what it is that I want. So these are all the powerful words that you need to be using. This is the language of manifestation. This is the language of healing. This is the language of creation. This is the I am God source consciousness. This is how the language works. This is the language. If you can't get to I am that, I am being that now, then I choose to get there. I commit to it. I'm aligned with it. I deserve it. I trust it. I embrace it. I welcome it. I embody it. These are all the words that you need to start using externally to everybody, to your friends, to your partner, to everybody that you talk with. Not, I don't know if I can. I'm trying. I want it. I need it. I'm praying for it. I'm begging for it. I hope I do. No, I commit to it. I choose it. I embrace it. I deserve it. I take action towards it. I will it to happen. It can happen. I believe it. I trust it. So these are the words. This is the difference. And it matters what we say out loud externally, but it matters what we say internally to ourselves when no one's listening. This is a thought versus an actual word that you speak out loud, but they are both words that you're saying to yourself, whether it's externally or internally, and it matters. It matters. The language, the words that you speak are spells. They are the creative power in which you move towards what it is that you want, or in which you are moving away from what it is that you want, in which you are moving towards what it is you don't want. So this is the power of affirmations. This is the power of manifestation. This is what affirmations are all about. It is not about saying something that you don't believe. If you're saying I am healthy, or I choose health, or I deserve health, but you don't believe it, but you actually can't get behind any of those words, then you have an internal belief that you need to change. You have a deep rooted belief, and you need to change that belief. You need to look at it deeply, pull apart all the evidence as to why this is true so that you can change the belief. Once you change the belief, you can change the words. You might not get to all the way to I am healed, right? From I am sick to I am healed, but you might get all the way to I deserve health. I deserve to be healed. I choose health. I choose to be healed. I can heal. I will heal. Right? You might not get all the way I am there, but you're going to find that you can get there. You can take steps towards this powerful language instead of living in lack-based language that is harming you. It's keeping you stuck. It is casting a spell on yourself that you do not want. It is moving you towards the exact thing that you do not want. And so, watch this video again. Write down all of the lack-based language that you say, either externally or internally, and stop saying it. Learn to speak a new language. Learn to speak the language of healing, the language of manifestation. And if that language is uncomfortable for you, if you can't say it and actually resonate with any of it, then you have beliefs that you need to change. And so if you have beliefs that you need to change, go watch this video here, because this is all about changing beliefs, how to change those beliefs, because you need to change those beliefs so that you can use some of this language and actually, really, truly believe the language you're saying. That is how manifestation happens, is when we believe what we are saying. So watch this video next if you want to know how to change beliefs. And if you got value out of this video, please leave me a comment, hit like, and consider subscribing to this channel, because I go into all of the ways that you can heal yourself in this channel. And so if you want to take your power into your own hands and really, truly learn how to heal yourself on all of those levels, mind, body, heart, and soul, consider signing up for my Become Your Own Healer program, and you can access that in the links in the comments below. I want to thank you for spending your valuable time with me today, and I will see you in the next video.